Hey lovelies, we are moving! Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Deepa Smith in case you don't already know. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you an empty house tour of my new apartment. This has been long awaited and I'm super happy that it's happening before the end of the year. Like, it's so amazing. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure to keep on watching. Love you. Mwah. Lovelies, immediately you step into the apartment, this is the front door. So you come in through the front door. Let my camera woman come in. Alright? So immediately you come in, you get to see this big living room area. I'm really impressed with this living. Like, this is the first thing that actually blew my mind when I first came into this apartment. How big this living room area is amazing. Like, my other apartment was really small. The living room area was not as big as this. So I'm actually living for the space of this, alright? So look, this is where the TV stand is going to be, as you can see. Then if you just come over here, we have our visitor's toilet. I'm not going to show you this now because they're actually cleaning it up. They are doing the cleaning now as I'm making this video. I have to make this video so quick because they're cleaning. We're moving in tomorrow. So, alright, but this is the visitor's toilet. I really like that there's a visitor's toilet. There's not too much about it. Now, let me show you what caught my eyes immediately I entered this house. Apart from the space of this sitting room, we have a store here. So lovely, this is what caught my eyes. This is a separate store apart from the kitchen space, the kitchen store. So this is a store. I'm still thinking what to do with this space. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I turn it to a closet? Should I make it a laundry room? What do you think? Just let me know in the comment section what you think I can use this space for. So lovely, that's really it for this small space. I just really love the fact that I have a whole different storage. So don't forget to comment down below what you think I should use it for. I'm really still deciding on how the whole layout is going to be. So immediately you're done with that, you just come out and you see the dining room area, which is imagined from the living room. Alright, so it's just a long space. This is the dining room area. I'm actually planning to turn this area into a little studio, alright, a little makeup studio where I can film my YouTube videos. I actually like the fact that we have a big, huge window, right? You have a lot of natural lighting that will actually come through this window, and it will actually just give the space a very good vibe. So I'm turning this to my makeup studio. So that's just the dispenser that we have right there. So we still have a lot of installation to do. We have the AC installation to do. Then the lighting, I have to get lighting. I've been trying to find a good one, but I'm still not finding the right fit for me right now. So I'm still, but I have to change the light or put a new light. I have to put a new light in the sitting room also. And yeah, that's really it for this space. Now let's get into the rooms. So lovelies, for the rooms, you just have to come in through the living room. Alright, so when you come into the living room, you get here. So the first thing you see is a walkway, kind of we call it a corridor, but a walkway. Alright, so these are the three rooms. It's a 3-bedroom apartment, in case I didn't mention that. And I'm sorry about the noise. There's construction going on. I told you they're still working. Alright, but I just had to make this for you guys very quickly. So immediately you come in, this is the walkway, and then you get into the first room. So lovely, this is one of the rooms in the apartment. This is going to be my immediate sister's room, my immediate younger sister's room. Favor, in case you know her. But this is going to be our room. Alright, so this is like the standard room, I would say. This is like the standard size room. It's going to be, I think it's okay. I don't know how she's going to do it. I don't know. I bet it might be this way, whatever she wants to do. I think the room is large enough. Then the next thing is our closet. So this is just like a standard Nigerian wardrobe kind of setting. I'm pretty sure she's going to have extra storage because storage is very important. But this is just how this looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like inside. I'm sure this is for clothes, then the under for shoes, and then the wardrobes for whatever. But this is it for favorite room. So this is a bathroom. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to show you guys the whole shebang, but this is how it's looking like. They're still doing some major cleanup, but just get a picture. Just come and see how it looks like a little bit before they're done cleaning. All right, so this is what it looks like, and then we're going to get into showing you my own room. That one come out, this one come out. But anyway, I'm in the middle room of both of them. I chose this room. I just like the room, and I think it's a little more spacious than the other ones. So this is my closet. My closet is this way. The room is this way. So I actually loved the fact that the closet is not in the way per se. You're going to see Marvelous room. Our closet is kind of in the way, but I mean she's the last one, so she'll be fine. So this is what it looks like. It's same with favors when they are same standard, same size. Alright. Let me show you guys my bathroom in little bits. So lovelies, I just want to show you guys a really quick installation I did for my bathroom that I really love. I actually got this mirror wardrobe for my skincare, my perfume, my body care, just to be in here. I think it's a really great space saver because I'm really trying to save space. Did I mention the bed I'm going to be doing is going to have drawers because I'm really a person that just like everything being in their place. So I'm big on storage. So I got this for perfume. I have body spray, like I said, my perfumes, my skincare. I'm just repeating what I'm saying. But this is a mirror also. It has a big light, which I'm supposed to connect, but I haven't done that yet. And also, all bathrooms come with a heater, in case I didn't mention that before, which is actually really dope. Okay, so now let's see Marvelous room before we go to the kitchen. Ooh, lightning! I even think the sun is a lot more better in Marvelous's room, which is my last one, my junior sister. I'm staying with my two sisters in case I didn't mention it. It skipped me, but I'm going to stay with my junior sisters, both of them, so that's why it's a 3-bedroom apartment. Alright, this is Marvelous's room, and the lighting here is really dope. But this is our room. Our room is a bit like the smallest room, and one thing about our room is that the closet is out, unlike the other rooms. So the closet is out. It's not like built in like the other rooms are. So sorry, Marvelous. That's why you're the last born. Okay, so this is it. Same thing. I'm not going to show you guys much. The same thing. Now let's get into my favorite part of the house, which is the kitchen. Okay. So lovelies, now it's time for my favorite part of this house. Alright, the kitchen. Okay, I'm pretty excited. Can you tell how excited I am? Alright, so when you walk into the kitchen from the dining room, you come into my store. Okay, this is the store, guys. It's not really big per se, but I mean, it's something. Come on. This is what it looks like. Can you? So this is what it looks like pretty much. It's this white. Okay, so it's really something. I'm thinking of doing a pantry per se. If you want to see that, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm sorry if it's echoing, it's empty, it's going to echo. But this is what the store pretty much looks like. So you see, I have two stores. I have this one, I have the one in the sitting room. Mind blowing for me. Okay, so now let me show you my kitchen, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Somebody has a fine kitchen like this. I'm pretty much hyped. I'm always hyped about the kitchen. And this kitchen is so big, guys. It's not so big but it's bigger than my last place. My last place was really small. So getting a kitchen like this is really, it's making me so happy because my last place, me and my sisters couldn't fit in 3 of us at once. It was really small, but with this one, I mean 5 people can be here, 10 people I think this will contain. So this is it really. We have a lot of storage. I'm big on storage in case you don't already know. We have storage, we have this would be like a microwave section. We have this, sorry about that. I have this as well. I'm thinking of putting my plates here, my cups here, and then we have our countertop. This is like a granite finish, which I love. Then we have drawers, guys. I know. I'm so hyped. Then we have drawers, then we have another, just a lot of storage going on. And guys, this is my gas cooker. This is my gas cooker and it's really, really nice. I had to install this, I think yesterday or so, to tell you how tight this is for us. Yeah, this is what it looks like. There's really nothing much to it. It's just a normal gas cooker. But I had to make sure I get the perfectly fitted one because the space was created for a gas cooker. So I wanted to get something that would just blend in and I won't have space at the side because I don't like that vibe. Alright, so this is another storage as usual. A lot of storage. And then we have my fancy tap. Okay, it's not fancy, okay, it's not fancy, but I had this installed also because I really just like that vibe. You see, if you don't get it, forget about it. So this is it. There's no water. This is it. I have 2 sinks. Guys, I have 2 sinks. I know, I'm just being extra about it, but I have 2 sinks here, so that's that same grind and finish. A lot more storage at the bottom. Then that is really it for the kitchen. I'm thinking the fridge is going to be this way. Then and I don't know, guys. I don't know where to put my washing machine, guys. Please, if you have a suggestion, you've seen the whole house, let me know where you think the washing machine should be. I am so confused about that. Should it be in the kitchen? Should it be in that room? Should it be in the corridor or the walkway? I don't want to put it in the walkway because I don't know. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And then we have the balcony. I'm not going to show much, but it's a balcony. It leads downstairs. Alright, and it's a balcony, okay? So that's really it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for waiting till I uploaded my first vlogmas. I mean, it's been crazy. I've been trying to get the place together and it's finally together. I'm moving in. I'm going to start filming content immediately. So lovely, that's really it for this video. That's really my empty house tour. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And let me know if you have any suggestions down below in the comment section down below. Okay? Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you watch to the end of this video, you already know you're the ones. You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for sticking by me. And I love you so much. And I'll see you in my next week video. Bye, lovelies. Bye.